Hi, friends! Today, Figo, Dihia, and Tioe will build a super automatic watering system. Let's go! First, we need a plan for our tomatoes.
Dihia! Tioe, are you ready?
This blue pipe is the water road. Good job, Dihia. We need these orange connectors.
Push! Push! Ouch! My nose! Thanks, Tio, but we have work to do.
Stay there, pipe. One, two, one, two, two. The water starts here.
It's so tight!
Go, Dihia, go!
Whoa! It's cold! No more leaks! Sneaky pipes.
Good dog, Tio. Hide the pipe. Little hole for a little water.
This is a red sprayer. How many, Dihia? Quack, 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 quack. Quack. Oh no, we need more pipes.
Tio, you are a hero. Zing, zing, cut it right.
My tail, let go. Let go. Phew. Thanks, Dihia.
The magic brain of the system.
Set for 6 a.m.
Wait, Tio, not yet. Almost ready. The smart farm is coming.
Check 1, check 2.
Aha! A tiny hole.
Tape it tight. Silently, Dihia. Quack. Quack.
Funny, Dihia. Careful, Tio.
Still strong.
Don't worry, Leaf. Water is coming. The last one.
Time for the big test. Ready. Set. I hear it.
Go, water, go! Go!
It's a water show. Woof, woof. I'm a wet monkey. Dihia, it's not a pool.
Stop the water! Stra bigger.
We need a stronger part. Where is the big orange connector?
Perfect, Tioe. Fixing it like a pro.
Super tight.
Clean monkey, happy monkey.
Gentle, gentle.
Oh, look at that!
A tomato rainbow. Hey.
Party in the garden. Good drink for my plants. Now we can rest.
It works automatically.
Wow! Look at our tomatoes! Ooh, so juicy and red. One for Figo. Ooh. Easy, Dihia. Good assistant, Tioe. What a harvest!
Make it shine. Let's taste. Yum! So sweet. The farm is beautiful.
Good night, Pipes.
Keep the brain dry. Sleep well, Tioe. Good night, Dihia.
Quack, quack.
Smart farming is fun.
Rise and shine.
Keep it clean for better water.
Always have spare parts.
No plant left behind.
Remember, orange means connection.
We are a great team.
From thirsty plants to happy tomatoes. Hey, kid. This is the king of tomatoes, Latos.
Thank you for helping us today.
Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Figo's Farm.
Click the red button. Bye.